Hello guys and welcome back. So in this lecture I will explain filter transformation. Okay, so guys, filter transformation is active and connected transformation. Okay, so by using filter transformations we are able to filter the rows based on certain condition. Okay, so filter transformation return boolean values either true or false. Okay, then these are the filter properties. Okay, in this filter transformations we having two properties. One is filter condition, another one is tracing level. I will explain this tracing level property in later point of view. Right now you are focused on this filter condition. Okay, so guys, basically filter transformation works same like as a where class in database level. Okay, by using where class we are able to filter the data based on certain conditions, right? Same like in Informatica also, if you want to filter the data in tables, then we are using filter transformation. Okay, now I will show you practically how we can implement this particular uh, transformations in Informatica level. Okay, now first I will show you my source and targets details. Okay, actually I have imported this source and target from the database level. Okay, both are tables only. Okay, so first this table I am taking from this HR schema. In this HR schema, this is EMP table. In this EMP table I have around 107 records, so I make it as a source in Informatica. Then I create table structure. Okay, I create table structure under the info underscore tgt schema. Okay, now what I will do, I will filter the data. Okay, let's suppose I will filter the data based on manager ID, where manager ID equal to 100. I want to load only those records into in this particular target table. So this is my scenario. Okay, so in this case, first what I will do, first I will create one mapping in Informatica. Okay, now go to mappings, click on create. I will provide mapping name as a m underscore filtering data. Okay, so this is my mapping name. If in case it mapping is already exist, it will show you mapping already exist. Right now this mapping name is not exist. Okay, now first what I will do, I will drag the source, then I will drag this target. Okay, I already explained, right, all these concepts. These are very basic concept. Okay, now I will drag this source. Okay, I will drag the target. Okay, now I need filter transformation. How to drag this filter transformation? See here, two ways we can drag the transformations into in this particular mapping designer. One way is, if you know this particular transformation icon, we can directly select this particular icon name and drag the transformation. If in case if you don't have any idea about transformations icons, just simply go to this transformation menu, select create option. If you select that option, create option, automatically it will show you drop down. Okay, if you click on this drop down, it will provide list of transformations available in Informatica. These many transformations available in Informatica. Okay, now I need only filter transformation, so that's why I selected this filter transformation. Then provide one unique name for this transformation. Okay, I will give filter data. Okay, then click on create, click on done. Now see, this filter transformation is ready in my mapping. Okay, first what I will do, I will drag all these posts to filter transformation. Okay, now what will happen, right? Whatever data available in this source table, all the source table data is available in filter transformation. Now I will write the logic here. Double click on this, go to properties, click on filter condition. Now what is my filter condition here? Where manager id equal to 100, right? Same value I will provide inside the filter condition in Informatica. Okay, go to Informatica. Now directly you have to paste here, or you can directly choose from here also. Okay, click on ports option. Now see, select that particular port where manager id equal to 100. Now validate this particular expression whether it is in valid state or not. Click on validate. Now see, expression passed successfully. So our logic is correct, so that's why it will say expression passes successfully. Okay, now let's see here, if in case if I do any mistakes. Okay, I will do some mistakes. Now if you click on this validate, it will show you this syntax error. Okay, now if I remove this one, now it will become a validate. So some people will provide semicolon after this value. This will also become a invalid state, invalid token. Okay, semicolons is not acceptable in this particular Informatica. Okay, now click on OK, click on apply, click on OK. Once you are providing filter condition, then drag this post to target. That's it. Okay, now validate this one. Now you will get one more doubt. Is it possible to apply multiple conditions? No. By using filter transformations, we have to apply only one condition only. If you want to apply multiple conditions, we have other transformation called router transformation. Okay, I will explain in next lecture for router transformation. Right now you are focused only filter transformation. Okay, now click on save, Control S, or you can say here also save option is available. Click on save, both are same. Press shortcut Control S for saving any mapping. Okay, now I will make it as a arrange all icon. It will mapping will become a iconic mode. Okay, now I will move into workflow manager. First I will create one task. Okay, click on task, click on create. Before creating task, always you should copy your mapping name. Okay, click on OK. Yes underscore mapping, click on create. Now you have to choose correct mapping name. Okay, by accidentally you are selecting wrong mapping, whole this particular workflow will become a invalid. Okay, even if you run correct workflow, data gets loaded into wrong tables. Okay, so that will create a very problem. Okay, so make sure that choose correct mapping name whenever you are creating sessions. Okay, so this is my mapping name, right? Filtering data, same thing. I select this particular mapping. Okay, click on done. Now copy again same name, session name here. Now go to workflow manager, select workflow menu, click on create. I already explained all these basics, right? Click on OK. Now drag this session to workflow manager. Now select link task. Okay, now go to double click on sessions, go to mapping. First choose source connection and choose target connection. So my target connection is in this particular schema, right? Choose that connection. Okay, now meanwhile I disable these options, target load type. Okay, if I explain now you will definitely get confused. Okay, I select only insert option. I will explain what exactly insert option will do. All these options I will explain at the time of explaining session properties. Okay, now click on apply, click on OK. Now my workflow also ready. Okay, now I'm going to run this particular workflow. Go to monitoring. Now see, it is in succeeded. Now it gets succeeded. Okay, now see, yet run properties. See, out of 107 records, only 14 records getting loaded into target. It means whatever matching rows, right, we are providing one condition inside this filter transformation, right? Whatever record matching with this managed ID, only those records loaded into this target table. Okay, this target table. Okay, remaining records gets rejected. Okay, now go to DB. Right now we don't have any data inside this target table. Okay, if you run this query, see, all 14 records getting loaded into this target table. So like this particular filter transformation will works. Okay, so in next lecture I will explain some more practical examples on filter transformation. Okay, actually this is my mapping document. Based on this mapping document I will create mappings. I will explain 2 scenarios, then you will get good idea on filter transformation. Then we will slowly move into router transformation, remaining transformations. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, thank you.